Namaste friends, I am Ved and welcome to our magic forest of Kiddy Magic Tales. Do you see my glowing book? It is filled with ancient secrets that have been hidden for thousands of years. Today, the pages are turning to a very special story. Are you ready to see how? Let's
Hi
jump
kids,
into the
today
magic
I will
together.
be telling you the third story of our theme, the language of nature, in which I will be telling you about the cow who was a queen and why we treat cows with love. So this I'm going to tell you with a beautiful story. In a cozy little village nestled between rolling green hills lived a beautiful white cow named Nandini. She did not live in a stone castle and she certainly did not wear a sparkly gold crown. But everyone in the village treated her exactly like a queen. Every morning, the children would run to the meadow to bring her the sweetest, crispiest clover. The farmers would gently brush her soft coat until it shined like silk, and on special festival days, they even placed a bright garland of orange marigolds around her neck. One afternoon, a little boy named Kiran watched Nandini chewing her food lazily. Grandma, he asked, looking puzzled, why do we treat Nandini so specially? She just chews grass all day and naps under the big shade tree. His grandmother smiled, walking over to gently pat Nandini's warm neck. Because, little one, Nandini is the queen of giving, she explained softly. Think about it, she continued. She gave us rich, warm milk to help you grow tall and strong. Her milk gave us fresh butter for our bread and sweet yogurt for our meals. She nourishes the whole village. And what does she ask for in return? Nothing, only a safe place to rest, a little green grass, and our kindness. Kiran stepped closer and looked into Nandini's big, soulful brown eyes. He noticed how peaceful and patient she was, gently swishing her tail in the breeze. A true queen is not someone who rules over people and gives order, his grandmother whispered. A true queen is someone who takes care of everyone around her with a gentle heart. We treat cows with love and respect because they are like our mothers to the whole world, taking care of us every single day. Kiran finally understood. He reached out and gently stroked Nandini's soft pink nose. Nandini let out a happy low moo. From that day on, Kiran always made sure to bring Nandini the very best handful of green grass, treating her with all the love a true queen deserved. So that is why, kids, we treat cows as our queens and our mothers. My glowing book is closing its pages for now to rest, but it will open again very soon for our next adventure in the magic forest. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Kitty Magic Tales so we can uncover more ancient secrets together. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed our adventure today. I can't wait to see you next time. Stay magical. Namaste.